Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vicki. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you. It's Memorial Day weekend. It'll be a little bit later when you see this video, but I'm going to be sharing Paula Deen's loaded baked potato salad. I love potato salad. I love loaded baked potatoes. So what's better than putting the two together? I'm going to show you how this done. It's so easy, just a few ingredients, and you probably have them all in your home already. So let's get started. Make sure that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do that. Hit that thumbs up or like button. It really helps me out. And turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, these are the ingredients you're going to need it for your loaded baked potato salad. Of course, we're going to need some potatoes. I'm making a big batch, so I'm doing 5 pounds of potatoes, salt and pepper, onion, chives, sour cream, real mayo. I'm using the microwavable bacon and some shredded cheddar cheese. And that's all we're going to need. First thing I'm going to do is cut my potatoes up. I'm going to cook them in the Instapot because it's a lot quicker and easier. And we'll get started and it'll come together really quick. I will leave the ingredients on the screen as well as the recipe in the description box. Okay, I'm going to put them, I got all my potatoes peeled and diced up. I'm going to put them in my Instapot for probably 20 minutes on high pressure. Okay, so I just took the pressure off of my pressure cooker and I'm going to drain the water from my potatoes. Drained my potatoes. We're just going to put them right in here. Okay, we're going to add some salt and pepper. I'm going to add some chives. I'm going to cut up about that much of this onion, not much. Not everyone likes onion, and especially in their potato salad, but this is Paula Deen's recipe, and everything I've ever made of hers has been really good, so I want to put some onion in it, and I like onion. Like I said, though, this is loaded baked potato salad, so it's going to taste like a loaded baked potato, but in a salad form, which I think is amazing and delicious. My grandbaby's here, my daughter and her husband just got here, so if you hear a little one in the background, that's what it is. She's in there playing in the playroom in my Grammy school room. They know exactly where it's at. She came straight in and went to it. They all love it. Okay. Now it calls for, I think, a cup or a cup and a half of mayo. And I'm going to put what I have in here. I like mine really creamy. And then the same for the sour cream. I'm going to put the rest of this sour cream in here as well. Oh man, this is going to be so good. I got a feeling. Okay. And now I'm going to put my bacon, and I just fixed my bacon in the microwave. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. This is half a pound of bacon. I just used one microwave pack, which I'm not sure how much is in it, but you can, like I said, put more in it or less if you want to. It's up to you. Like I said, this comes together actually very quickly. Just stir the bacon in. Honestly, I'd probably put another pack of bacon in if I had it, but it'll be fine. And now we're going to put in our cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese. Put some in, stir it up, and see if I need to add some more. Oh, it looks really good. All right, let's try a bite and see if I need to adjust the seasonings any. That looks so good. Let me know, how do you like your baked potatoes? Do you like a loaded baked potato, or do you just like it plain with butter? My husband just gets his with butter. Let's try a bite. Oh, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more salt and pepper. That's delicious. I think everyone's gonna love that. And a little bit more cheese, because you can never have too much cheese, in my opinion. And let's stir it up. Oh, wow. Babe, this looks so good. Ryan, do you like loaded baked potatoes?
Oh, absolutely.
Come here.
It's delicious. Yes.
I'm going to let my son-in-law do a taste test for us.
Oh, absolutely.
Get you some bacon.
This looks, yeah, absolutely. Load up the bacon.
Here.
Here we go.
Do you care if I film you?
Oh, absolutely. Let's go for it.
All right.
All right.
Go ahead, get your fork.
Okay.
Give me your honest opinion.
That is incredible. First, the potatoes actually have a legitimate potato taste to them. It doesn't taste plain. And then the cheese to bacon ratio is just, it adds that texture to it. So that way it kind of adds a little bit of a texture, and then seasoned perfectly with the salt and the pepper. Vicky, that is phenomenal.
Thank you. I've never made that before. Thank you. Everyone absolutely loved this loaded baked potato salad. It was a big hit, and everyone ate some and enjoyed it. I hope you make it.